This is how you can shoot raw photos on your iPhone. The first app you can use is an app called Visco, and it's free. Download the app and then open it. At the top left corner, click the camera button. All the way on the left, you'll see something that says RAW. Click that and then it'll say RAW at the top. You can now shoot raw photos on your iPhone, but only through this app. The second app you can use is Lightroom. Keep in mind that I pay for Lightroom on my desktop, so I'm able to download it on my iPhone, which is why I don't know if it's free or if you need to pay to use the app, but it is another option. Open up Lightroom, click the camera button on the bottom right corner. At the very top, it'll say JPEG or DNG. In order to shoot raw photos, you want it to say DNG. Click on it, and make sure you slide it over to DNG. And that's it. And those are two ways you can shoot raw photos on your iPhone. Like this video if I helped you out, and subscribe if you want to see more videos just like this.